Hi everybody, in this video I'll go through how to create a free system.io account. Click on the link you'll find in the description below and you'll get to this page. Here we enter the email address you use and click here, and you get to the check your inbox page. Let's go to the inbox. As you can see, you get an email from system.io that says confirm your email address. Click on this and click here to confirm your email address. Here we are. Here to create our account, we just simply enter the first name and the last name, a new password, and pass a captcha test and click on save. Here we go. Here we are already. We have a brand new account. Here we had some details about it, and here we are. This is our brand new system.io account. Thanks for watching.